Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to give you an overview of the resources tab. So under the resources tab, you have three things. One is the teaching center, then the instructor community, and the help and support. So the second tab, which is the instructor community, is you can actually reach out to the other instructors that are teaching. And if you have any questions, you can actually submit your question. You can see what kind of questions people are asking. And also, if there is anything that is going on within the Udemy platform, you can get notified through this instructor community. So it's a very tightly bound. Initially, what happened was Udemy was had a group on Facebook, and that's where the majority of the instructors were interacting with each other. Then rather than doing it off the platform, they have built this whole instructor community on the platform. Okay, so that's where it is. And you can answer other instructors' queries, you can help each other out, and this is a great place to learn and also share your knowledge with the community. The other important tab that's there under here is the teaching center. So here you will find tons and tons of great content on every topic. So if you need help with recording and you want to see what other different tools and equipments are there, you can do that. You can record your course. Then if you need some help with the marketing efforts, then you can also read about this article, which is related to marketing, how you should market your questions, how you should plan your course. So all of that you can read on this place, which is your teaching center. Now, help and support is if you are trying to reach to the Udemy support team, if you want to know what are their policies and things like that. And if you are having issues with the payments, or you haven't received your payments, or something is not working as expected, then you can reach out to the Udemy support team as well. You can send them email. Usually they do respond within a day. And this is another place you can also reach out to the support team of the Udemy. So this is all about an overview of the instructor profile. And the next thing that I will cover is these announcements, which are very, very powerful. Okay, I'm going to talk to you about those in the next tutorial. Thank you.